Hi, this demo is for basically anyone uploads any object to the S3 bucket. It should trigger an alert to our Slack channel, which we will be creating just about now. So high level, how it's going to work. Whenever someone uploads any object to the S3 bucket, we will turn the notifications on for all of the events which is happening to the S3 bucket. Now, all of these events which are happening to the S3 bucket will be captured by an service called Amazon EventBridge, and we will create a filter there for a specific event. Say we are uploading any object, so or creating any object. So whenever someone creates any object in this S3 bucket, it will filter it out and it will send it to our Lambda function. Now, this Lambda function will be integrated to our Slack channel within Webhook. So whenever some changes happens, it will trigger that, and that using that Webhook URL, basically we are gonna trigger the alert to any respective channel wherever we are adding that Webhook after installing it. So this is the high level how it's gonna work. Let's start the demo. So first, create a channel. Say upload S3 alert. Next, public would be fine. Channel is created. Now let's install the webhook here. Go to integration, add an app, search for webhook. Um, Incoming webhook, probably. Yeah, install this one. Add to Slack. We already have created the channel, this one, select this one, or you can create the new one from here. Copy this webhook URL. This is essentially what our Lambda code needs. You can configure further settings. This is the channel. You can rename it, say, load alert, save settings. Now this webhook is installed in our this particular channel. Now let's create an bucket. Create bucket here. General purpose bucket would be fine. Slack S3 alert demo 007. This would be our bucket name. Other settings would be fine. Let's create the bucket. Oh, also we needed to enable that setting, which essentially will send notifications to our event bridge. So yeah, you can turn it on here in properties. Go to this particular setting. Yeah, turn it on. Yeah, so bucket is created now with correct settings. Now let's create a Lambda function. Lambda. I already have the code. I was testing it earlier. Let's create S3 Slack alert. We will be using Python. Other settings should be fine. It will create a log group also, so which is fine. We can see the logs and stuff there. Create function. It should auto-populate my earlier code, which I was testing. If not, we'll just copy paste the code and create the function. Ignore. So yeah, we need to add the function here. So I have this code ready. Let's copy. Let's paste. So high level, what this function is doing. This is using this URL 3. Then we are integrating our Slack webhook URL environment variable. I'll just show you how to add it. So this is basically capturing the event which is generated by the event bridge and getting the details. This I am printing to show in the logs, where we are capturing the bucket name, the object key, and the size. And object key is essentially what object we have uploaded, so that we are showing the name of it. And then a simple try catch block. If the request is successful with 200 status, we are sending this, and if some error occurs, then we are sending this. So this is how Lambda works. Let's add the environment variable first. Edit. Add environment variable Slack webhook URL. So I earlier copy pasted it. Let's copy this TATA, which is this one. This is fine. So where was I? Slack. Yeah, environment variable is saved. Go to code. Accept. Um, okay. Something happened here. I guess earlier I rejected it, so that's why. So yeah, I copy pasted the code again, and let's check the environment. Yeah, it's still there. So let's deploy it. updating Slack function. So this function is deployed now. We need to create an EventBridge rule, which essentially captures the event and triggers the target. It triggers to the target. So let's create that. I have the pattern. It's a simple thing. Add it here. Now you will need to add bucket name here. So basically this is filtering this for any S3 bucket. Whenever an object is created, you need to put the bucket name here so that it can identify which bucket we are referring to. Add it. Target would be a Lambda function. Select Lambda function, which is our S3 alert one. Use execution rule. Other things would be fine. Yeah. Okay, something else. Okay, simple. You just need to overwrite and accept the change. Yeah, it will create this particular trigger, which targets our Lambda function. Click on create. Name it S3 upload event rule. So yeah, now our rule filter is created, which is targeting a Lambda function. Our bucket is created. Rule is also there. Right. Now, whenever we upload some object to this S3 bucket, it should trigger the notification here. So let's try that. Upload. Add files. Let's do my resume. Upload. Object is uploaded here. It should trigger our Lambda function, which essentially should be giving us the okay. It didn't work. Let's check why this didn't happen. Did I miss something? Let's check the logs. CloudWatch logs. During testing it worked, but no, it didn't. So logbook is also not created. Where was Lambda? Okay. Lambda deployed. Let's test it first here. Test, creating test event. So this is getting successful and we got an test alert here. Now we need to check why. So our Lambda is correctly triggered with our Slack. So first thing is correct. Refresher. This is log group is created for our test event. Yeah, so this is working fine. Now let's check why this is not working for our bucket. General purpose bucket, Slack demo. Let's check the event rules, event pattern, Slack S3 demo. Okay, so this bucket name was incorrect, which is why we were not able to do it. Basically, the event didn't filter it correctly with the bucket, hence we didn't get the alert on the Slack channel. So a simple typing issue. Let's do it again. This is fine. Let's upload files. Let's say one pf transfer, upload. Now this time it should work. Let's go through S3. Yeah, so now new object is detected, Slack S3 bucket, which is the file. This one is the file. This is the size, hence we are successfully getting the alert, and we kind of debug the simple issue also. Let's go to logs again. Refresh. Yeah, so this time we should get a new log. Let's check. Retry. Yeah, so this is the new logs where this is our bucket, this is the file name. So this is essentially which we were fetching in the Lambda function bucket object, and within object the key and the name and stuff. So yeah, this is demo is complete. We are getting the, so we tested the Lambda function too, and we tested the file upload also. So yeah, this is how you can do that. Thanks.